On ko muna yung video ko. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat and welcome back to Fiesta Wairarapa Pinoy Radio. Today is March 10, 2025. Nasa week 9 na po tayo. Ang bilis ng panahon. So before ako mag-start sa spotlight of the week ko, ang magiging featured article po natin for today is all about OPM, Filipino music. Kaya nga kami ni Ate Kini, curious talaga kami about yung katulad nung song namin, bago lang. Wala kaming kaalam-alam. Rap pala yun. But anyway, that's the resurgence we will be talking about. But first, ang gagawin po natin is sasagutin po natin yung Filipino bugtong last week or the riddle of the week in our previous show. So, meron pong nakasagot, 3 tao po ang nakasagot ng tama. Congratulations. So, pipiliin po namin kung sino, bubunutin po namin kung sino sa 3 yon ang mananalo ng $30 na cash ito. So, which is really good. Hindi ito siya gift voucher, cash talaga. So, yung riddle na po, bigyan ko ng benefit sa Tikini na sagutin is, ito po yung bugtong. Kapag ako'y andyan, di mo ako pansin. Kapag ako'y nawawala, ako'y iyong hahanapin. Ako'y walang bigat, ngunit pasan mo palagi. At kapag ako'y mabigat, di mo ako kayang dalhin. So in English, when I'm there, you don't notice me. When I'm gone, you search for me. I have no weight, yet you always carry me. And when I become heavy, you cannot bear me. So there are 3 winners na nakasagot po ng tama who answered the riddle correctly, and I will name them, and then among the 3, pipiliin po ni Ate Kini via draw lots dito sa harapan niya kung sino yung mananalo ng $30. So ang winners, ang nakasagot po ay walang iba kundi sila Rica Bisperas, yung isa sa mga host. Ewan ko kung paano niya nasagot yun. Si Michi Soriano, walang bias yon kasi wala akong patawad kahit sa asawa ko. At yung pangatlo po ay yung manager po ng Aro FM, who is Michael Wilson. yeah. So those are the 3 who got the answers right. Pero bibigyan natin ng opportunity si Ate Kini na sagutin yan. So,
is it a problema?
No.
No?
So the answer is breath or air. Hininga or hangin.
That's when I'm there, you don't notice me.
So
You search for me.
yeah. So when I'm there, you don't notice me. We don't notice that we're actually breathing. It's natural. So, and then when I'm gone, if you're really short of breath, you'll look for me.
You always,
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I have no weight because it's air.
Yeah.
But yet you always carry me kasi nasa lungs siya.
Oh.
It's always in the lungs.
Yeah.
And when I become heavy, you cannot bear me.
It's so clever of them to
So ang sagot po or the answer is hangin, hininga, or air and breath. You can answer in Tagalog or in Filipino. So bubunutin po natin yung winner. So pipili po sa Ate Kini sa 3 anong tawag diyan? Papel.
Papel.
3 papel sa harapan po namin for the
Sa harapan ni Ryan, walang ano to.
wala.
Anong tawag nyo? No cheating.
No cheating.
No bias. Okay.
All right. Okay. So you announce the winner, Ate, and the winner is
And the winner is Michael
Wilson. Congratulations, Michael Wilson, for winning the riddle for last week.
I actually really wanted him to win.
So Michael is the winner for last week's riddle. Congratulations, Michael. So probably during the song break, I'll give you your money.
That's really good.
Okay. So what's the riddle for this week? Ito po 'yon. Okay. So the riddle for this week is in Filipino, ako ay di mo mahawakan ngunit kaya kitang dalhin. Ako ay walang laman ngunit kayang punuin. Kapag ako'y nawala, madalas kang maligaw. Ngunit kapag ako'y nawala, madalas kang maligaw. Ngunit kahit ako ay nasa iyo, maari ka pa ring mawala. In English, I lost the English version. I forgot to type in the English version. Okay. I'll find that, and then I'll say it again during the next segment. So yun. So ako ay di mo mahawakan ngunit kaya kitang dalhin. Ako'y walang laman ngunit kaya kitang punuin. Kapag ako'y nawala, madalas kang maligaw. Ngunit kahit ako ay nasa iyo, maari ka pa ring mawala. So I typed it twice.
Huh?
Yeah. Okay. So yan yung ano natin. So again, if you've answered this question, you will get a $30 either voucher or cash. Depende po yan sa sponsor. So if you know the answer, either call or text us your answer at 027-463-8334 at 027-463-8334. So, yun po yung ano natin, riddle for the day. So, diretso ako sa featured article. So, again, congratulations to Michael Wilson for winning last week's riddle.
Okay.
Right. So, yung featured article natin for this week is The Resurgence of Filipino Music, Original Filipino Music or OPM on the global stage. So, magandang hapon mga kababayan. Welcome to Fiesta Wairarapa Pinoy Radio once again, where we celebrate the heart and soul of Filipino culture. So, today we're diving into the topic that is close to our hearts, the resurgence of Filipino music on the global stage. As everybody know, Filipinos really love their karaoke. So, OPM, particularly OPM classics to modern hits are the ones being sang. So, Filipino artists are making waves worldwide and we're here to celebrate their success. The golden era of OPM. Let's take a trip down memory lane. So, it started in the 70s, 80s, and 90s, where the golden years of OPM, or original Filipino music, icons like Freddie Aguilar, who brought us Anak, and the Eraserheads, who's about to have their concert here in New Zealand with their timeless hits like Ang Huling El Bimbo, defined a generation. These artists didn't just create music, they told stories that resonate with every Filipino soul. So the modern original Filipino music, a new wave, fast forward to today, is experiencing a renaissance. Artists like Ben and Ben, Moira de la Torre, and SB19 are leading the charge. Ben and Ben's heartfelt lyrics and harmonious melodies have captured the hearts of millions, while Moira's soulful voice have become the anthem of love and heartbreak. And who can forget SB19? This P-pop group is breaking barriers and putting Filipino music on the global map, even earning nominations in international awards. The role of social media. Social media has played a huge role in this resurgence. Platforms like YouTube, Spotify, and TikTok have given Filipino artists a global audience. Songs like Pasilyo by Sunkissed Lola and Pano by Zach Tabudyo, so narinig niyo na yung mga Zach Tabudyo in the past, have gone viral, reaching listeners far beyond our shores. These platforms have democratized music, allowing independent artists to share their work without the need for big record labels. Another exciting trend is the rise of collaborations between Filipino artists and international stars. Just recently, we've seen artists like James Reid working with international producers and artists blending Filipino sounds with global genre. These collaborations are not just about music, they're about cultural exchange and showcasing the richness of Filipino talent. This resurgence is more than just about music, it's about identity. In a world that is increasingly globalized, Filipino music serves as a reminder of who we are and where we come from. As a source of pride, a way to connect with our roots, and showcasing the richness of Filipino talent. The resurgence is more than just about music, it's about identity. Oh, I said that. So as we wrap up today's feature, let us take a moment to appreciate the incredible talent that our country has to offer. Whether the soulful ballads of the past or the electrifying beats of today, Filipino music continues to inspire and unite us. So let us keep supporting our local artists. So mga ka-followers, because of the world is listening, our music is worth hearing. So, sa mga nanonood at nakikinig po sa Fiesta Wairarapa Pinoy Radio, don't forget to share your favorite OPM song with us through requesting. So, mag-request kayo kahit dun sa social media page po natin. Tag us in our social media pages and let's keep the love for Filipino music alive. Stay proud, stay Filipino, and keep the music playing. Maraming salamat po at enjoy the rest of your day. So, yun lang po ang feature natin, yung OPM and the on the global stage. So, yun lang po sa akin. Ano ba? Personal shoutout na ba ako?
Yeah, I
Okay.
think you've got, you're announcing something with the sports. Senior bowling?
Yeah. Thank you, Ate Kin, for reminding. So, ang ano lang, yung senior bowling registration is still open. So, hopefully, you can register up to this coming Saturday. So, kulang pa rin po kasi para mabuo natin yung ano at may tuloy natin yung senior bowling po natin. Please signify your expression of interest para ma-register ko po kayo. All you need is bring $20 just to pay for the games. You don't need to pay for anything else. Not unless gusto mong maglibre ng pagkain. Yon. Pero, so we already have so far, we already have 3 registered teams and we are yet to confirm another team. Pero kulang pa rin po yan. We were hoping to have at least 6, minimum of 6 teams of 5. 6 teams of 5. And then $20 po, 2 games po ang lalaroin nyo per game day. So, open po yan. You can message me or text me on my mobile phone or just DM me on my messenger kung gusto nyo pong mag-join. And then, of course, yung special request, personal shoutout ko rin, yung concert po. Darating. Ang Eraserheads concert. This coming March 15 na po yan. So, ilang araw na lang. This coming weekend na po yan sa Trust Arena in Auckland. So, kung gusto nyong humabol pa, just contact Sheila Cavinta of Silhouette Productions for tickets. Pero, syempre, yung flight ngayon, baka mahal na. Kasi 1 week na lang. No, 5 days na lang basically or 6 days. So, yun lang po yung isa pa. Yung Everyday English Language po natin na program, inumpisahan po last Saturday as well. Hindi masyado maganda yung turnout, hindi umabot doon sa expected numbers, but nonetheless, we will still proceed with the program.
Where's the venue?
So the venue is Chanel College Gym, yung nag-iisang classroom po doon, room 25 we call it. So if you go into the gym, just look to your right, and then if you see that side exit, andun lang po yung classroom. So room 25. So that's the English everyday English lessons will happen from 9 in the morning till 11. So depende yan, pwede din ma-extend depende sa length ng conversation. So an example is last Saturday introduction lang yon. So mga greetings. So 3 dahil Pilipino tayo, 3 na yung greeting natin. Meron na yung magandang umaga, meron na yung good morning, at meron na yung Kiora. 3 na. Pero dahil our everyday English language program will help enhance your English proficiency. So, wag kayong mahiya. Wala namang exam ito eh. So, it's a teaching session. So, it will run for the whole duration of the whole 3 months. So, we will, students will get updated to what Saturdays that the class will run. Kasi hindi ko pwedeng ma-set kasi may mga concurrent events din kasi ang Filipino community. So, this English program is run through our Filipino community. So, yan lang po sa akin. Balik sa Ate Kin.
Okay, maraming salamat, Ryan. That's really good. And thank you for highlighting our
OPM.
Yes. And talking about indeed that highlight, SB19. SB19, yung ipi-play ko ngayon, our second song is called Kalakal.
No, business.
Kalakal?
Business.
Okay, Business. Kalakal by SB19 and Glock 9.
Glock 9. It's another
Oh,
rap group.
Is that a rap as
I
well?
think so. I
Is
think so.
SB19 a rap as
I think
well?
so.
They've got international awards, so let's listen to this, guys. Hopefully you'll enjoy this. Okay, here you go.
Yeah.